Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet an easy and beautiful star ornament, perfect for adding a handmade touch to your Christmas decorations. And let's get started. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times and then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a magic ring. In round 1 we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we need to work 1 double crochet inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. This is a double crochet. Again chain 1 and then we need to repeat the pattern. A double crochet into the magic ring and chain 1. Again a double crochet into the magic ring and chain 1. Just repeat the pattern 6 more times. Now we have completed the round. This is what it looks like, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like so, and go into the 3rd chain from the starting point and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. We will start round 2. There work a single crochet into the chain 1 space here. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Again work a double crochet into the same chain 1 space and then work a treble crochet into the same chain 1 space. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the same chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then go into the next chain 1 space and work a treble crochet first, and then work a double crochet into the same chain 1 space, and then a single crochet into the same chain 1 space. And then again we will repeat the pattern, go into the next chain 1 space and work 1 single crochet first, and then work a double crochet into the same chain 1 space. After that 1 treble crochet into the same chain 1 space. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Again 1 treble crochet into the next chain 1 space. 1 double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Again 1 single crochet into the very same chain 1 space. Now we will just repeat the pattern once more. 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 treble crochet into the next chain 1 space. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet and a single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. So repeat the pattern twice until the end and meet me back there. Now I'm at the end of the round. To join, we need to work a slip stitch into the starting point here. So go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we will leave a little tail and just cut the yarn off. After that, we need to hide the tails by using the yarn needle like this. And then we can just pull the corners of the star to shape it like shown here. Just pull the corners by using the crochet hook like so. With that, we have completed our ornament. This is what it looks like. This can be completed in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this festive crochet star ornament. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more holiday inspired crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.